Okay, now we're able to send the biography, a new biography to the server, and we are receiving a proper response from the server. Now we need to take some actions. Okay, what we want to do is, whenever I send a bio to the server, I want this view controller to be dismissed, and here I want to appear a new bio. To do this, there is one technology used in the Xcode and the Swift which called notifications, the same like we did for the keyboard, as you remember. We were playing when the keyboard is showing, then change the user interface, and when it's hidden, then change it back. The same logic we will now implement and integrate to our project. Before going ahead, I would like to teach you how you can determine the logic you want and how you can find the way to implement this. Let's imagine that we don't know how to do this, but we know that there is some notifications. We will write just in the Google something like send notification, Swift send notification execute function, something like this. Okay, this seems what we want. Let's check this one. No answer. Let's check this one. We're now trying to find the code when they use the notifications. This is the one. Okay, so this is a notification, how we can add observer to the notification. And this is how we want to execute this. Okay, and let's now try to think how to use notifications. Here we are adding the notifications, and we need to add observer for the notifications. So this notifications, let's add the observer in the home view controller. I'll write the notification here in the view did load notifications, add observers for notifications. So we write notification center.default add observer to current view controller. The function which we want to execute, it will be load user. And the name of the notification will be update buyer. Okay, this is what we want to do. Now, after that, we are now going to the buyer view controller. And let's try to find how to post a notification. Post notification. Swift post notification. This is the one. This is how we can post a notification. Okay, very good. Let's do this now. Okay, we will write notification center dot default dot post notification with name object, and let's try to type it with the user info. The name of the notification, it will be update buyer, the same name of this function, update buyer. The object will be nil, and the user info, let's try to assign one user info. As you see how it looks like. So here we will write, let's try to write buyer And here we'll write bio. Okay, rather than this one, we'll just use the very simple one without this complication. I don't want to go through this big bulk of code to write this. It's just unnecessary. The name we'll write ns notification dot name. Raw value of this will be update by object will be, oops, again the wrong method I've selected. Notification center dot default dot post notification. That is the one I need. Update buyer and object will be nil. Okay, this is what we want. We just need to copy this code and instead of string, just to write it here, like this. Okay, like this. So we will update it. We'll write your ns notification name row value this one. And for the load user, we'll add this one object, which can be accessed through the notification. Okay, this is just, there is no logical explanation. This is how the syntax of Swift must be looking like, the latest Swift version. If you're running any function from the notification, it must have a at Objective-C. Okay. Very good. So what we want to do now, I will go now to buyer, and here we will post notification. And what will happen is, once it posted, I want to dismiss view controller, and in the home view controller, I want here to print out posted. Yeah, here we must put self at the beginning. Okay, so I'll just write here hello and save, and it shows posted. Very good. So this is what we want to do, and the main idea is to send the notification. Very important point here is if the JSON message or status is 200, then we want to do this. We'll write guard let parsed JSON equals to JSON, else return the key, return the function execution. Then here we write if parse JSON in the square brackets, then quotation marks will write status equals 200. Then we want to execute this. Here we are. So this is save method of casting JSON. Here we'll write as string. Okay. Updated successfully. Else some error occurred. Error. And we will show error while updating. Means the status is 400. Here we'll write title will be 400 and the message will be error while updating the buyer. Okay, very good. So what we want to do is whenever we send the request to the server, we want to execute the post notification updated buyer, and we want to dismiss view controller. After that, once it's dismissed, it will come back to the home view controller, where we have already observer for updated by message. If it is received and it is received, it will just um, reload the user. This is what we want actually. So that is amazing. Let's now test it. I'll write here a bio. Hello bio. And let's make sure that it's launched. Yeah, one more thing guys. Whenever we send the notification, we must update the current user information in the global variable, as we remember. So this is very essential, and it's important because load user, it will check the application from the all the user information which is stored in the current user global variable. Okay, this is what we need to do. Here, before sending the notification, we will write current user equals parsed json.mutable copy mutable copy as ns mutable dictionary. Very good. And the next step is to save the user defaults.standard.set current user under the key current user. Excellent. And let's synchronize it. The user defaults standard synchronize. Save updated user information in the app. Okay, very good. When this notification is posted, it will update by on homepage. Okay, well, we're going now to update bio. We'll write excellent day. And let's save it. Here we go. This is what we wanted. That's really amazing, guys. That is really super. We can now run this. And here it is there. So that's really amazing. This is the result which we wanted to achieve. So well done, guys. Congratulations. Good job.